Deploying and supporting Apptio is an expensive and time-consuming task. TBM offices spend months and sometimes years assembling data, defining allocations, building reports, and validating the content. Learning new digital platforms can be complex, overwhelming, and confusing at times. This is where RegoEngage comes in. The RegoEngage Apptio plugin will get the most relevant information to your users in a concise, customizable, and consumable format by allowing you to create numerous email report templates that can automatically be sent directly to your TBM users with Apptio data. These email report templates can be constructed with data from multiple Apptio reports and designed for individual personas, allowing you to deliver concise and targeted summaries. For example, you could send targeted reports designated specifically for the IT department, HR department, or any department, and those department owners would receive the cost reporting that is relevant just for them. Every email is designed so that each specific recipient receives the information that is relevant for them directly in their email. These templates also incorporate your organization's style and branding, which provides a polished and professional appearance from your TBM office. Contact Rego Consulting and sign up for a demo today to see how you can ensure that your TBM stakeholders get engaged and view their data in a timely and consistent manner.